It's like a cheese. It's a big smile. You will also smile like this slime. Smile, slime. Hello, Pungal. Pungal, Pungal. It's so sticky. I will remove from my hand. Hi everyone, this is Ria Valentine and you're watching an Innovative Kids channel. So today I will show you how to make a slime with comfort. Still I have put lots of slime videos, but you are asking to put more slime videos. So today I'm going to make this slime for you. So now to make the slime we need some glue, comfort, salt, baking soda and some water. That's it. Let's get started. First let's add baking soda and salt into it. Now let's add the water. Now let's mix it well. Let's mix it well until it dissolves. Now let's add the glue. Now let's add the comfort. Its smell is so amazing. Let me add. Now let's mix it. Since I am using comfort, I'm going to add blue color. You can add any color if you like. I love blue, so I'm going to add blue color. I will add some more color. I think this much is okay. கொஞ்சம் இன்னும் டார்க் கலர்ல வேணும் போல. After mixing well, we can add our homemade activator solution. Now let's mix it. I'm going to add a little bit more. இன்னும் போடுங்கம்மா. See, it is coming a little bit and little bit. It's getting harder than before. It's getting so hard. Now only it will be like this. After some time it will be in a correct texture. Camera கொஞ்சம் பின்னாடி தள்ளுங்க. It is looking like the water is flowing out from the glass. Blah 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 blah. It's a slime. I'll play with this kite. Yes. Like my video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.